Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So I will be going over the key signs you can use to see if you are blocked on Snapchat. So first thing, open the Snapchat application. And now the first thing you need to go and look for is to see if you've been unadded by the user. So what you can do is you are going to go in your chat section and chat with them disappeared, and also if you then go to the top left and tap on your profile icon, your bitmoji up here, then what you can do is go down until you can see friends and my friends, and then if they are gonna and disappeared from your friends and you have been unadded, that is one sign you have been blocked by them. But of course they may also just and added them, so this isn't quite a surefire way of knowing if you have been blocked. So the next thing what you want to do is just go back to my Snapchat here, and next thing you want to go is tap on your profile icon and tap on the search or magnification short glass in the top left, and what you can do is go and search for that user. So go and search for them. I know that I went and blocked myself on the account. For example, this is, I'll go search for that, and as you can see I am not showing up at all, and this is the sign that I have been blocked, because when the someone goes and block you, it means their accounts are gonna be hidden from you when you go and search for their account there. But now a really great way of working out if you have been blocked by somebody, if you got a group chat with them. So let's go to the chat section, and then you can create a group chat, and then what you need to do is go to the top left of the chat and go and tap off the name of the chat or just the profile picture with like bitmojis, and once you've opened the group info, go down to the group members and you will see the account is there, the account who blocked you. So what you then want to do is click on their name and you will see the profile, and when you click on add, then you just got a pop-up saying couldn't find that account. So this is quite a good sign that you have been blocked, because it basically means you can't go add them but you can still go and see their profile there. So these are the things you can get the idea you are blocked or not. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.